Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm making chocolate chip almond cookies. 1 cup and 1/4 cup of oats, half a cup of self-raising flour, then blend all together. Add baking soda, baking powder, almond butter, honey, vanilla extract, sea salt, coconut oil, soya milk, then blend all together until coated. Then add 1 egg, then blend again, all coated together. Add the dark chocolate chips. Stir all together until coated. Grease the tray with some coconut oil, then use a spoon to scoop the mixture on the tray. Scoop 6 on the tray to space out each cookie. 1 tablespoon of almond nuts, put in a Ziploc bag to crush with a rolling pin. All crushed and ready. Nice. Top the cookies with dark chocolate chips and top with crushed almond nuts. Off it goes in the oven for 10 minutes on 180. Adding another batch on another tray. This recipe makes 15 cookies. So repeat the same with the other batch. Cookies all ready. Nice and soft inside and crunchy on the outside. Enjoy your healthy cookies. Like, subscribe, click on the bell for further videos, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.